Kosher kitchen. We're getting ready for Rosh Hashanah, and what is a traditional item to put on your table? A sweet noodle kugel. So I am going to be sharing with you a recipe that my grandmother made, my mother made, I am making, and hopefully we'll pass it down to my children and my grandchildren. So we get started. This is with fine noodles. So one nice package of fine egg noodles going into a pot of boiling water, and we'll let them cook for about 15 minutes. Now, the little bit of a secret here is we're doing it the way Grandma did it. And Grandma and my grandmother, so I guess it's my grandmother and my mother, they all did it. And they all made a beautiful, sweet noodle kugel. And yeah, they used fruit cocktail out of a can. So we're using fruit cocktail out of a can. And pineapple slices right out of the can. Super, super easy recipe, but first we need the noodles to cook. All right, so little shopping tip here. Recipe calls for 16-ounce can of fruit cocktail, which normally you go to the counter, you pick up your 1 can of fruit cocktail. It's only 14.5 ounces. I bought 2 of them, and it doesn't quite equal a cup, so I'm going to add in that little bit extra that we needed. So it's going to be 2 cups of fruit cocktail with the syrup in it. And everything is going to be mixed into a bowl. So I'm pouring my 16 ounces of, okay, our little bit of a trick to be able to get our noodle pudding out nice and easy. Take your 9.5-inch pan, just a regular aluminum pan, cover it with parchment paper, leaving enough of it. Take some oil and just drizzle your oil right on top. Now we're going to take our pineapple rings. There will be 6 of them. Place them right in. Make sure you have your parchment paper pressed against the side. And we're going to lay out the pineapple. I like to take a little bit of brown sugar, and it's just going to sit on the bottom of your pan. Take your little maraschino cherries and stick them right in, and then you will just pour your mixture right on top. Alright, so we laid out our noodles right on top of those pineapples with the maraschino cherries. Give it a nice smooth out. Oven is preheated at 375. It will bake for 1 hour. And what's so nice is that because it has the parchment paper, it will do a nice easy flip, and it will be a beautiful centerpiece to your Rosh Hashanah buffet and bring in that sweet new year. All right, a beautiful noodle pudding cooked for 1 hour. So now we need to do the flip. So I take my baking dish, the serving platter that I'm going to use, place it on top, and with all my might do a nice little flip. And peel that off. And since it's parchment paper, beautiful. This is your Rosh Hashanah sweet noodle kugel. And this will freeze beautifully. Serve it at your table. circle of life and sweetness all year. Happy New Year from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen, the first of many dishes yet to come.